Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play They Are Billions using an easy method. First, establish your command center and quickly build several tents to boost your population. Next, focus on resource gathering by constructing a sawmill for wood and a quarry for stone. Don't forget a fishing hut or hunter's lodge to ensure a consistent food supply. Finally, train a few rangers to scout the nearby terrain and eliminate any small zombie threats. This strong foundation is crucial for your colony's survival. As your colony grows, expand your territory carefully, always looking for natural choke points. Fortify these areas with sturdy walls and defensive towers. Deploy 1 or 2 ballistas at critical locations to effectively manage the initial zombie waves. It's vital to clear out any infected areas close to your base to prevent unexpected breaches. Remember to construct a market and a bank to significantly boost your gold income and optimize resource management. In the mid-game, focus on technological advancements. Research and train advanced units like snipers and titans, offering superior firepower against growing hordes. Upgrade your defensive structures to executor towers and create multiple layers of walls for maximum protection. Ensure your economy is robust, with ample workers and sufficient energy production to support your military. Begin preparing for larger zombie waves by constructing a soldier center and training a substantial army. For the final stand, consolidate all your defenses around your command center. Strategically position every available unit to cover all possible approaches, ensuring no gaps. Deploy shock towers and Tesla towers to inflict massive area of effect damage on incoming swarms. It is crucial to maintain a steady flow of resources throughout the final assault, allowing you to repair damaged structures and replace lost units. With careful planning, your colony will endure and achieve victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.